Hey everybody, it is getting late on Friday and I've realized that I am not going to get our feedback form sent out to you via email today. It's going to go out Monday, and that might not make sense to any of you that are relatively new, but we usually send out a Google form to get feedback from y'all about how summer school went. So we're going to do that again this year. It's just going to take me until Monday to get it out. So look for that in your email, and when you get it, please take a little bit of time to fill it out honestly. We want to know what went well, what could have gone better, what we can do differently moving forward to help the training be the best possible event that it could be. With that, I do want to thank all the people that worked tirelessly to help turn my idea into an actual practical training event that you all could learn from. It is not an easy thing, but Jennifer Johnson, Kimberly Glancy, Sean Riley, that's just those that are in the background. Kevin Boyer and Alan, making sure that we are able to do the time. All the account specialists and operations coordinators and dispatchers and customer service people who were dealing with our customers all week while we were sitting in classrooms. Thank you so much. And then to those on the training team that made it happen. I mean, Ott really taking charge, Josiah, Hector, Greg stepping in and keeping things moving, Kyle, Damien, Willy, Josh and Trace, getting the plumbing and the electrical things going. All our vendors that came out, Waterco, AquaCal, Spec, Aquasol, being able to have Cody and Anthony and Mo from Aquasol come over and spend time with you guys to answer all your questions and show you how everything works, I think is just really valuable. So thank you to all of y'all for making summer school what it is. It's really awesome for me to be able to miss almost an entire day of training and for it to be a great day of training. I think 5 years ago when we started doing this, I couldn't imagine that I would have an emergency come up that would keep me away for the entire day and that it would just happen. So great job, all of you. Thank you. Finally, I wanted to remind y'all that we do have, for water management team, we have service skills, that tool that we will be using to talk about how to better communicate with our customers. And it's really important when we're moving forward. Our technical skills are great. We know how these systems work. We know what we need to do to make them get the most out of it in the field. Service skills is there to help us communicate more effectively with our customers, because that's a big part of field service. The best technical program in the world, if it's not listening to its customers, it's not succeeding. It's not providing value. So I'm really excited about service skills. I know that there are parts of it that might not 100% apply to our workplace. There are parts of it that you may not personally see value in, but as a whole, if you can learn and grow and just take a few things away each week when we go through this program, it's gonna make you a better field service technician. It's gonna make me a better manager. And so that is what I'm most excited about. So look for your invitations to service skills and please stay after it. It's 30 minutes to an hour a week. It's not a huge, heavy load, and it's really gonna help us grow as a team. So that's all I've got. I hope you guys have a great weekend and we'll talk Monday. Bye.